Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your money from Trust Wallet. First, you need to understand that you'll typically transfer your crypto to an exchange before converting it to fiat currency. Begin by opening your Trust Wallet and selecting the specific cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Make sure you have a small amount of the native blockchain's token for network fees, like BNB for Binance Smart Chain or ETH for Ethereum. Next, choose a reliable cryptocurrency exchange where you have an account, such as Coinbase or Binance. Navigate to the deposit section for the cryptocurrency you're transferring and copy the exact deposit address. Be extremely careful to select the correct network, for example, BEP20 versus ERC20. Paste this address into your Trust Wallet's send function, enter the amount, and confirm the transaction. Once your funds arrive on the exchange, you can sell your cryptocurrency for fiat currency, like US dollars or euros. Go to the trading section and execute a sell order. After your crypto is converted, proceed to the withdrawal section of the exchange. Select your preferred method, such as a bank transfer or debit card withdrawal, enter the amount, and carefully review all details before confirming. Remember to always double-check every detail, especially wallet addresses, before confirming any transaction to avoid irreversible losses. Be mindful of network fees, which can vary, and any daily withdrawal limits imposed by your chosen exchange. For more financial wisdom, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals. Taking these precautions will help ensure a smooth and secure withdrawal process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.